The curriculum will be coming into all the schools in Wales soon, but we've kind of had a head start because we're linking it to lots of our work.
The teachers have helped us actually adapt to what the new curriculum holds for us. It's helped us a lot with our learning and kind of made us a bit more confident being learners.
I kind of think like the four purposes kind of like hold the school together because everything we do is like around the four purposes. They're like the backbone of this new curriculum. So there's ambitious, capable learners,
enterprising, creative contributors, ethical, informed citizens and healthy, competent learners.
Yeah. We use them on a Wednesday a lot in our class because on a Wednesday, whatever we're doing, we usually link it back to the four purposes.
So like on our enrichment days, when we did one on Wales, we were linking Wales to our new curriculum with the one ethical informed citizens. So we were learning about that so we can, like when we get out of education, be an ethical informed citizen.
Our lessons are definitely interesting, and they're not just interesting, they're fun at the same time.
We also have immersion days, so whenever we start a new topic or theme, we go down and do something like really fun. Also in normal subjects like maths and literacy, we also like do really fun things, and we get to write like whatever we want with stories as well.
We've got learner capacities as well. Resilience, resourcefulness, effort, self-awareness and collaboration.
Our learner capacities, they help us as well, like wonder, we wonder, and like self-aware, we need to be self-aware. And that all kind of links to us in learning and how we do proceed when we learn.
And I feel like because I've done more collaboration, it's made me step out of my shell and feel more confident with what I'm doing and make me want to like volunteer to do more.
Which comes back to the four purposes, one of the four purposes, healthy, competent learners. We have a voice of what we want to do, but there's also that very good balance of what the teacher decides, and so the teacher sort of enhances these ideas to develop new skills, and then this is what makes our lessons really interesting and fun.
We feel like we have a choice and we're involved with it. So then when we're doing a lesson that we said we wanted to do, it like really makes us like happy because it shows that the teachers listen to us, and also with our learning journals we can like express how we want to do it, like because we can set it out however we want and we can put the work in our own words.
It's very good because our learning journals, we get to be very creative with them and we get to put whatever we like on them. So if we're doing something on a certain theme, we can design it however we like, and it really lets us be more imaginative and more creative.
And they help us to actually see what our project or theme is about, and then we get to use our creative side to help us.
We do a review at the end of each term called a PLR, standing for Pupil Learner Review.
We get to show what we've really liked doing and what was our favourite piece of work the term, and then we have barriers to learning, so we get to tell our teachers that what we think we're struggling with, and then we have to put a way forward to what we think could help that and how we could improve.
Even though it's the curriculum isn't even something for all schools, I still think they should use the curriculum for jobs that aren't real yet to prepare them for the future.
Throughout the years, we will progress to be what the four purposes are, and by the end of when our education at high school or college stops, we will be people,
part of the community.
Part of the community. Yeah.